Hello student. In the previous class we have studied about the combination reaction and decomposition reaction and displacement reaction, means three types of chemical reaction we have studied in the previous class. So today we are going to start the next types of chemical reaction. ठीक है, तो the fourth types of chemical reaction is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Okay, so what is double displacement reaction? A reaction in which interchanging of ions are take place, means takes place, means a reaction in which different types of ion interchange together. So this types of reaction is known as double displacement reaction. For example, when sodium chloride react with water, because in sodium chloride Na is positive ion, Cl is negative ion, and in water H positive and O is negative. So the positive ion of NaCl combined with the negative ion of H2O, means NaOH is obtained and H combined with Cl, HCl is obtained. So in this reaction interchanging of ions takes place, na? The positive ion of first compound combined with the negative ion of second compound, and the negative ion of first compound combined with the positive ion of second compound. ठीक है, so this reaction is known as double displacement reaction. For another example, second example, when BaCl2 react with Na2SO4 sodium sulfate, then gives BaSO4 and 2NaCl, because in this reaction BaCl2 contain Ba positive plus 2 and Cl minus negative. Okay, and in sodium sulfate Na is positive and SO4 is minus 2. So the positive ion of first compound combined with the negative ion of second compound, so BaSO4 is obtained, and when the negative ion of first compound combined with the positive ion of second compound, then NaCl will obtain. Okay, so this reaction is also known as double displacement reaction. Okay, so that is double displacement reaction, the four types of chemical reaction. So what are the fifth types of chemical reaction? The fifth types of chemical reaction is oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction. So what are oxidation and reduction reaction? So here we discuss about oxidation reaction and the reduction reaction. Okay, so oxidation reaction is a reaction in which oxidation reaction is a reaction in which number first oxygen is added. O means oxygen is added. For example, when hydrogen H2 react with oxygen, then what we obtain? H2O. Okay, in this reaction oxygen is added to the hydrogen. So this reaction is the example of oxidation reaction. Here oxidation takes place. ठीक है, okay. So for second, oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction is a reaction in which hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen is removed. Okay. For example, when magnesium react with hydrogen chloride, in this reaction, when magnesium react with hydrogen chloride, then MgCl2 and water is H2 is obtained. So because in this reaction hydrogen is removed from chlorine, na? Here hydrogen is removed from chlorine. So this reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Here oxidation is takes place. Okay. And third, electron is removed. Electron is removed. For example, if we have sodium, so we know that sodium, atomic number of sodium is 11 and the configuration is 281. So when it removes its one electron from its outermost shell, then what we have? Na positive and Cl negative. Oh sorry, this electron negative. So in this reaction, electron is removed out from sodium, na? So because one electron is removed, then +1 sign we use. Okay, upper side of the sodium. So here electron is removed from the outermost shell. So in this case, क्या है? Oxidation is takes place. Okay, so that is the example of oxidation reaction. So oxidation reaction is a reaction in which oxygen is added, hydrogen is removed, and electron is removed. ठीक है? So what is reduction reaction? So a reaction in which number first hydrogen is added. This opposite of oxidation is known as reduction. Hydrogen is added. Okay. For example, when H2 reacts with Cl2, then what is obtained? HCl is obtained. Okay. So in this reaction, hydrogen is added to the chlorine. So that is the example of reduction reaction. Okay. So for second point, when oxygen is removed. Okay, for example, if we have calcium carbonate, okay, after heating, the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas is obtained. So here number of oxygen is 3 with calcium, and after reaction 2 oxygen removed and only 1 oxygen is left with calcium. So here reduction is takes place because number of oxygen is reduced. 2 oxygen removed from calcium carbonate. Okay, so this reaction is known as reduction reaction. Third example, when electron is added. Okay, for example, if we have chlorine, the atomic number of chlorine is 17, means configuration is 287. Okay, so when one electron is added to the chlorine, then it becomes Cl negative. Okay, means its outermost shell is completed, means 288 we obtain. No? So in this reaction, oxygen is added to the chlorine. Okay, so oxygen is added, na? So here it is reduction reaction. Okay, so what are reduction reaction? A reaction in which hydrogen is added, oxygen is removed, or electron is added. Okay, this types of reaction is known as reduction reaction. Okay, that is the fifth types of reduction reaction, fifth types of chemical reaction. Okay, and when oxidation and reduction, both are present in a chemical reaction, so this reaction is known as redox reaction. So what is the meaning of redox reaction? Redox reaction means oxidation and reduction both are take place in only one chemical reaction. Okay, so this reaction is known as redox reaction. Okay, so it is the fifth types of chemical reaction. Okay, so now we move to the 6 types of chemical reaction. Okay, so the 6 types of chemical reaction is endothermic and exothermic reaction. Endothermic and exothermic reaction. Now the 6 types of chemical reaction is endothermic and exothermic chemical reaction. Okay, so what is endothermic chemical reaction and exothermic chemical reaction? So the endothermic reaction is a reaction, the exothermic reaction is a reaction in which heat is also obtained during chemical reaction. During chemical reaction means heat is obtained. For example, when water is added into calcium oxide, when CaO react with water, then CaOH का whole twice and water and heat is obtained. Okay. So when calcium oxide react with water, then calcium hydroxide and heat is obtained. Heat is also obtained after completing the reaction. So because heat is obtained in this reaction during the chemical reaction, so this reaction is known as exothermic reaction. And what is exothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat is required to complete chemical reaction. Heat is required. Okay. For example, in photosynthesis reaction, 6 molecule of carbon dioxide gas and 6 molecule of water combine together in the presence of light and heat. So it convert into C6H12O6 glucose and 6 molecule of oxygen. Okay, so this chemical reaction is known as endothermic chemical reaction because heat is required for completing the reaction. Means 6 molecule of carbon dioxide gas, 6 molecule of hydrogen combined together in the presence of heat and light. Okay, so it convert into glucose and 6 molecule of oxygen. Okay, so that is the photosynthesis reaction. Photosynthesis reaction. In this reaction heat is required, so it is endothermic reaction. Okay, so now types of chemical reaction is completed. So if you have any doubts in these types of chemical reaction, then you can ask. Okay.